Meaning of gendarme.
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 Gendarme. Gendarme is a French word that refers to a police officer or law enforcement official, particularly one who is part of the French police force. The term can also be used more generally to refer to any law enforcement officer in a French-speaking context. Gendarmes have a reputation for being disciplined and strict enforcers of the law. They are often called upon to handle high-pressure situations and to provide security for public events. In some countries, such as Belgium and Romania, the gendarmerie is still a separate branch of the armed forces tasked with law enforcement duties.